So we get asked a lot of times how to bid or how do I quote bushes and shrubs and whatever that might be. In today's video, I have Daniel here and we're in Virginia, and I came up here to get some supplies to him because he ran out and nobody could get them to him because ChristmasLights.io will deliver for you. And so how do we know how many strands it is? So one of the things that we can do is see how tall is this bush. So we need to know how tall it is, and we also need to know how wide it is. How from one point to the other, how wide is this bush? Because the reason why we need to know how wide this bush is because if we don't know how wide it is, then we don't know how to measure it. So this bush here, I always say to do it one of two ways, is to do it by how many strands do you think it's going to take to do this bush. Now, this here bush took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strands right here, 6 strands, and that's not doing the top of the bush. And the reason why we didn't do the top of the bush is because this is a drive up one, and so you really can't see the top of the bush. So this is a way that we're able to do the top of the bush, so then that way we're able to do the top of the bush. We're not going to do the top of the bush, we're just on the side. If it was, it would take another, with how many? So on this one here, we need to know how tall it is, because whenever we're bidding these bushes, we need to know how tall it is, because if we're doing 6-inch spacing, each mini needs to be 6 inches tall. And if we're doing 4-inch spacing on the minis, we really need to be about 4 inches also, because then that way it don't give you the lines. If you do it the other way, it will give you the lines, and that's what we don't want, is those lines of looking like Christmas lights. So that's how we can do these bushes with this. If this one here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bushes, 6 strands, and then we typically do $30 to $50 per strand. So $30 to $50 per strand. If that's 6, if we did $50 a strand, it depends on if you really like doing minis or not. If you don't like minis, charge the $50 a strand. If you love doing minis, do the $30 a strand. You will have more callbacks on the minis. This is where your callbacks come, is on this right here. So this is one thing that we have to think about when we are doing our bushes. So again, how tall, how wide. If it is 3 feet tall, right? If it's 2 feet tall, every 4 to 6 inches. So it'd be 4, 6, 8, right? Just figure out how many strands you need for that bush. Another technique I would tell you to do too is practice. Go get some bushes, and that way you'll be able to see how big that bush is and how many strands look nice on it. Turn them on at night, maybe put on 3 strands versus 5 strands. Which one looks better? So when you're doing this, you will be able to see a lot better of how big and how tall you want, how many strands you want to put in on these bushes. So again, bushes, $30 to $50 per strand. How many strands do you think it'll take? Our strands are 25 feet long. So if the bush, this one here, the bush was 25 feet just to go back and forth, and it's about 3 feet tall. So that's what you're guesstimating. You can use things that you know of the height of the bush. You could also count the brick. So you would be able to count the brick. We know that each brick is 4 inches. So that's another way that we could make sure and see how many strands do we need to be able to do on these bushes. With that, if you need minis, ChristmasLights.io, we have all the minis in stock. We have white strand minis, we have green strand minis, we have warm white, pure white, cool white, we have the red and green, we have Santa, we have all kinds of things. So if you need anything, go to ChristmasLights.io, and I'll see you in my next video. Tell me in the description below, what do you love about doing bushes?